In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Yahoo Mail in Facebook. Link Yahoo email to Facebook account. By the end, your Yahoo address will be connected to your Facebook account so you can use it for notifications and account recovery. Start by opening Facebook on your phone or in a web browser and sign into your account. Once you're in, head to the settings. On mobile, tap your profile or the menu icon in the top right. On desktop, look for the profile menu in the top bar. From there, choose Settings Privacy, then tap or click Settings to open the full settings page. Next, navigate to Account Center if you see it. Some versions show this area prominently, others take you straight to your account settings. If Account Center isn't visible, go to Personal Details instead. You're looking for the section that manages your contact information. Open Contact Info. This page lists the email addresses and phone numbers currently associated with your account. Here, select Add New Contact, or it may say add another email or mobile number. Choose the option to add an email, then carefully type your Yahoo email address. Double-check for typos before you continue, and make sure you have access to that Yahoo inbox in another tab or app. After you submit the address, Facebook will send a verification code to your Yahoo Mail. Switch over to your Yahoo inbox and look for the message from Facebook. If you don't see it right away, give it a moment, refresh the inbox, and check the spam or junk folder. Open the email and copy the verification code. Keeping Facebook open in the background makes this easier, or you can use split screen if your device supports it. Return to Facebook and paste or enter the verification code exactly as shown. Submit the code to confirm. If the code has expired or doesn't work, use the option to resend a new code and try again. Once the code is accepted, you'll see your Yahoo email added to your contact info, meaning it's now linked to your Facebook account. That's it. Your Yahoo email is now connected and can be used for important notifications and to help you recover your account if you ever get locked out. If you ever need to manage which emails receive certain alerts, you can review those options in your notification and account settings later. For now, you've successfully added and verified your Yahoo address. Thanks for watching.